It was literally the most wonderful dental experience I've ever had. I had a fear of dentists ever since I was little. Every dental experience I've had has just been not the best. I mean, I've had really bad experiences where it's led to panic attacks, and you know, it wasn't just the care, it was just the demeanor of the office and everything. And it was just, I always dreaded going to the dentist, always postponed even my cleanings just because those were uncomfortable and they hurt, and I just felt like every dentist I've tried, which are a lot, just didn't, you know, they just didn't care. They just go in and clean your teeth, and it was just, I was always in so much pain, and it was just always so bad. And that's why it even took me a while to come to you. I've heard so many people with great experiences with you, and I said, okay, I'm gonna go to Dr. Bernstein. Honestly, it was just awesome. From the moment I came into your office to when I left, I never thought I could have that great of a dental experience ever. I mean, you guys were so warm and gentle. You felt like you made me feel cared for, and you were attentive. I mean, it was just awesome. You guys provided me with more than I ever thought I could get from any dental office. And I was so comfortable the whole time. I didn't feel anything. I could hear you talking, and I was aware, but I was so beyond comfortable. I mean, it was amazing. I mean, you guys are so caring. You booked out the morning for me. I mean, your full attention, Brittany's full attention, Allison's was all about me. And my fear of dentists now are gone. I said to them it was literally dental heaven.